We're going to build on that previous stretch. So we're going to get in this position again. We're going to push the hip down, preload the stretch in what we call the frontal plane with abduction of the leg. Now, rather than using the pelvis, we're going to use the hands as drivers. So I'm going to put them above my head and I'm simply going to lean to the left. I'm trying to keep this leg a little bit bent here. So when I go in here, the stretch increases. When I come back here, it decreases. Now I want it on the increased position here. Then I'm going to rotate left and right. Now my pelvis is responding to what my hands, shoulders, and ultimately my spine is doing. And that movement is then being translated into the hip. And lastly, I want to go into flexion and extension. So I'm going to go down, touch the ground, and back up. Now you can bend your back when you're doing this if your back's up to that, or you can keep your back straight and then just pivot through the hips. To be honest, pivoting through the hips is probably the best movement here because you get the really good stretch into your hamstrings. So a three-dimensional stretch to the hip, do 10 to 15 reps in each plane, and go and give that a go.